In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 corrupted files, updated 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to scan your system for integrity issues, repair damaged core files, and confirm everything is back in working order using the trusted built-in tools in Windows 11. First, let's open an elevated command prompt. Press the Windows key and S together to open search. Type command prompt, then select Run as administrator. If you see a security prompt, confirm it. This is important because the repair tool needs administrator permission to access and fix protected system files. You'll know you did it right when you see a black window titled Administrator Command Prompt. In that window, type the following command exactly and then press Enter sfc/scanow. There's a space after SFC and the command isn't case sensitive, but accuracy matters. This launches the system file checker, which scans critical Windows files and replaces any that are corrupted or missing with clean copies from the component store. It doesn't touch your personal documents, apps, or settings. Its focus is Windows system integrity. Now, let the scan run to 100%. You'll see a progress percentage and messages like beginning system scan. The time can vary, often 5 to 15 minutes, sometimes longer, so be patient. Avoid closing the window or putting the computer to sleep. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in. Temporary pauses during the scan are normal. Just let it finish completely. When it's done, you may see messages indicating no issues were found, that corrupt files were found and repaired, or that some repairs will be completed after a restart. When the repair process finishes, restart your Windows 11 computer. A full restart ensures any pending fixes are applied to files that were in use. You can click Start, choose the power icon, and select Restart. Give the system a moment to shut down and boot back up cleanly. After the restart, check your system to confirm the errors are resolved. Use the apps or features that were crashing or displaying integrity warnings and see if the behavior is now normal. If the scan reported that files were repaired, you should notice improved stability. If it reported no integrity violations, your issues may have been caused by something else and are likely already addressed by the restart. If it mentioned that some repairs would occur after reboot, test again now to verify everything is stable. That's it. With one administrative command prompt and a single SFC/scanow, you can diagnose and repair many Windows 11 file integrity problems quickly and safely.